Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the BTC APN settings for Android and iPhone in Botswana, the BTC Mobile or B Mobile APN settings. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. So first and foremost, open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, we're going to go where you search from, and then we're going to type in access point. Don't forget to like the tutorial. Name, and then search. After searching, we're going to select that option, go to advanced, and then choose the access point names. Now you're going to go and choose your plus button, and then the APN name, you're going to use BTC Mobile. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And then the APN, you're going to use internet. The proxy, don't set it, the port set it to 8. Don't set the username, the password, don't set it. The server, you're going to use https://www.google.com, and then the MMS, don't set the MMS proxy, don't set the MMS port, set it to 443. The MCC port 470. The MNC port 02. Authentication type, leave it unset. APN type, we're going to use default, SUPL, and then the APN protocol, put IPv4/IPv6. Even the APN roaming protocol put that to the same IPv4/IPv6. And then by doing this, you come where you save and then save. That is it, and let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Mouse Tech, and then I sign out.